Okay, to make this bread, you'll need 1/2 cup of warm water at 110 degrees. You'll need 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant dry yeast or 1 envelope. Okay, in another bowl, you'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. You'll need 1 cup of warm milk, 110 Fahrenheit. You'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Then, for your yeast, in a small bowl or measure cup, combine the warm water, instant yeast, sugar, and olive oil. Okay, and make sure the milk is at least 110 degrees. Flour in a large bowl of a stand mixer or a dough hook. You'll need 4 cups of bread flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm milk at 110 Fahrenheit. Okay, then you'll continue to knead the dough on medium speed for 8 to 10 minutes at the room temperature butter and knead for 4 to 5 minutes more. Okay, then you'll need to transfer the dough to a greased bowl and leave it to rise on the counter for up to 60 to 90 minutes or until double in volume. Shape the dough is double in volume. Transfer to a well-dusted flour surface. Degas, reshape into a ball. Shape each portion into a tight roll. To do this correctly, flatten the dough on an unfloured surface, fold the top and 2 sides in, then roll towards you into a sausage or a log shape. Okay, then you're going to place the shaped log in the loaf pan, cover with a clean kitchen cloth or a plastic wrap, and leave in a warm place for about 45 minutes until almost double in size. Okay, then you're going to, when the bread is almost double in volume, at least 30 minutes, preheat the oven at 375. Grease the right size loaf pan with butter, 9-inch. Okay, then bake on the middle rack until lightly golden on top. The 9-inch loaf will take about 40 to 50 minutes, while the 13-inch loaf will take about 60 to 70 minutes. If the top of the sandwich bread is getting too dark, tin it with aluminum foil. When baked, brush with melted butter. Cool. Take it out of the pan and cool on the wire rack. Cover it with a clean kitchen cloth for at least 10 minutes to keep the loaf soft. Okay, and then put butter on it as it comes out of the pan. Do not leave the bread in the pan for too long, as the steam will make the bread soggy on the bottom. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you like this bread recipe. Try it. I made 2 loaves today, and they both look good. And here's the size pans I used. Just from the Dollar Tree. They ain't no special thing. And then when I was baking it, I put one on top. So that's how I done it. Prep time is 20 minutes. Cool time about 40 minutes. Total 3 hours. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on TikTok. I hope you try this best sandwich bread recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.